Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about alphabet with farm animals. A for alpaca. Alpaca. B for bull. Bull. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for emu. Emu. F for frog. Frog. G for goat. Goat. H for hen. Hen. I for Icelandic sheepdog. Icelandic sheepdog. J for Jersey cow. Jersey cow. K for koi fish. Koi fish. L for lamb. Lamb. M for mule. Mule. N for Nubian goat. Nubian goat. O for ostrich. Ostrich. P for pig. Pig. Q for quail. Quail. R for rooster. Rooster. S for sheep. Sheep. T for turkey. Turkey. U for Ural sheep. Ural sheep. V for vole. Vole. W for worm. Worm. X for Zelda sheep. Zelda sheep. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zeb. Zebu. Thanks for watching.